Hello, folks. This is Anthony. Welcome back to the channel, Honda Snowblower Enthusiast. Today, I'm going to show you how I replaced the joystick switch on a Honda HSS928. Wait a minute. I just can't help it, man. Joe Walsh, Mountain. What is it called? Mountain Way. I'm going to show you what we have here. We got an HSS 928 that was working. The joystick was working intermittently, so I'm going to replace it. It was like $44 plus tax from boats.net. If you get it from the Honda dealer, I think it's around $60 with the tax. And I mean, it's possible you can fix these by cleaning the contacts in here. It's just not worth it to me. Spend an hour and a half trying to removing it, cleaning the contacts, trying to get it to work. And if it doesn't work, you've just wasted an hour and a half. And so to me, it's just cost effective to switch. This machine here is 8 years old. So I'm just going to switch out the thing. This is the old one. You got 3 bolts holding it in, and you've got your plug. So the first thing I did, folks, is something that I highly recommend, is that you take a picture. Now, I want to make sure, see, this is a unilateral triangle bolt pattern. It can go in any way. So I took a picture to make sure that this goes in the same way. See, here's your switch. I mean, your plug. And all you have to do is push on the tab right here where my thumb's at. You push it in and pull the plug apart. And then you remove these 3 bolts. There's one here, and one at 12 o'clock. I got the machine up on the nose, so it was a lot easier. So after you've removed the plug, removed these bolts here, it just pulls right out. That's all there is. And then when I put the new one in, all you do is line up the holes right. Line up the holes and push it in. That's all you got to do. Just push it in. Put your bolts back in, snug them down, and then put your plug on. I couldn't believe how easy it is, but I wanted to tell you that one of the main things is take a picture so that you put it in the same way it came out. Let's see if this will work. I got to put the gas on because I shut off the gas. I turned the engine on and I ran it until it stalled out, so gas wouldn't leak out of the overthrow. All right, let's start it up. Let's see, choke on. This is electric start, which is really cool. Oh, it works pretty good. The old switch worked a little bit. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it wouldn't work, and most of the time it was slow. So the owner just said, "Well, let's just change out the switch," which is a good call. Okay, so there you go, folks. Something fairly simple to do. If you have a joystick that's not working very well, I just recommend you change it. and it's easy. It took me about 10 minutes. Okay, so anybody can do this. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let's listen to some Boss Gags. I haven't even had a drink yet. Any drinks? Any beers?